Let's say we have a package we want to send. We want to figure out the costs. How do we do it? Well, I'll show you. Using the VLOOKUP feature, along with a little creativity, we can figure out the shipping cost for a package. Now, keep in mind, we have various parcel weights. What we want to do is use VLOOKUP and then figure out the outcome of VLOOKUP is going to give us what? If we look up a parcel, it's going to give us a cost. And let's say we have a filter here. We're going to say total parcel weight is 19. Hit F9, and you can see this is active, and it will change. VLOOKUP is going to go up and down here looking for this package. Here's the range. So we have 14 ounces or pounds or what have you. So VLOOKUP has to find this particular cost per pound. We're asking, let's look VLOOKUP. We know that's a range. We're going to have to use an approximate match. Let's dig into here. On the right is the normal write-up, so you can read that on your own. Here's the anatomy, VLOOKUP. We have the lookup, we have the array, we have the column number, and then we have the approximate match. We throw in this times F4. Why? Well, because we have 14 pounds, and this is the USPS cost per pound. So for clarification purposes, this is per pound. And you get a discount by the larger the package. Here at VLOOKUP, we have F4, which is this weight. We have B5 to C9, which would be in the red here. We have column 2, and then we have an approximate match. All we're doing is grabbing that information, and if we remove this F4, it's going to give us $6 per pound. $6 per pound times, every time you make a change within Excel, it's going to recalculate. That's just the way random stuff works. So I just hit Control Z. All we're doing is taking that 6 pounds, or in this case, 18 pounds, multiplying it times. So we will multiply that times 5. Why? Because we're using the approximate match. It goes to the lower. So 18 times 5 is 90. F9, column number, F5, go F9. 18, F9, 90 equals 18 times 5 is equal to 90. Remember, we always go to the lowest number based on here. We're just going to go with this particular format. We probably can put 1 in there if we want. Let's change that. We have 2, we have an exact match, we have an approximate match. So that's the difference between this old school and the new school. We have this other option. We can use this max feature, kind of do the same thing. We're going to use the VLOOKUP and nest it within max. This other option we have, let's say you have a minimum shipping cost of $5. To control that, you can include this max VLOOKUP feature. Down here on the right, what if the company's shipping minimum, regardless of weight, is $5? Well, this will remedy that. Otherwise, it's going to default. It's going to always use the greater of the two numbers. If you find yourself in a situation, and it will never work here, but hypothetically, you could change this. If this number was, I don't know, 3 or what have you, the max showed 3, well, then it's going to default to a minimum of 5. So it's a nice little tool. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.